Welcome back to my channel. If you have not liked and subscribed the channel, please like and subscribe the channel. This is the place where you can learn Microsoft Intune. Today in this video I am going to share you what is actually new in Microsoft Intune and how you can filter the operating system version, OS version, how you can create a groups, dynamic groups in the Microsoft Intune or Entra to filter your OS version either filter the OS based on the OS version and create a dynamic groups. Earlier it was available based on the OS version, right? So like you can filter by Android and iOS operating system versions. Now we can apply or compare the operators. As you can see in my screen, on my screen, you can put example like device operating system hyphen greater than, or like if it's a 10, or if it's 10 or 17 or 16, you can put like that. You can also put like greater than or equal to, use the version value type like greater than and equal to. So if it's G, it's like greater, GT is a greater than, right, and equal is or equal. So both you can, you see the sample here, less than. So greater than or equal, you can use this allow value. If you just use the greater than, it is like this. If it's a less than, you could put LT here for example, and less than or equal you have to put like this. So this is actually very good, like if you are applying some policies in Microsoft Intune and you're looking how you can create a dynamic groups, so you can apply these operators in dynamic value. So if you go to the Microsoft Intune, go to the groups here, right, and if you're creating a new groups, security groups, right, or dynamic groups, whatever you want to prefer. Under the security groups you can give name and membership type. You see, select the dynamic, and once you select the dynamics, then you put the this operator value, whatever you want, greater than, allowed, or equal, or greater than, or just less than, based on the OS versions, right? So if you see, there is a new operating system version filter property is there, and this property is in public preview and is still being developed. So some features like preview devices don't work at. So if you want, should be, if you, it should be used instead of existing OS version property, right? Earlier we were using the OS version like Android or iOS or Windows, we select the OS version property is being deprecated. So when operating system version is generally available, so you have to use the operating system versions, not the OS versions, right? Earlier we were just putting OS versions, right, and then Android and equal to Android or iOS we are just putting. Now you have to put operating system versions like device operating system versions. The OS version property will retire, then this will operator will retire, and you won't be able to create new filter using this property. So existing filter that use OS version, so if you have already created, you can use this, but will not, it will be getting deprecated, and this will be available for use, and this is in public preview mode, so you can use it and start using this device operating system versions, and you can apply to your Android, iOS and Windows devices. This is actually, I just want to show you because this is in preview mode, and you can use it and make sure if you are applying any new filter property for with the operators, like just for comparing or applying any policies, apps or devices, use this operator. I hope you learned something new. Till then, thank you. Have a good day.